Abaft. Abaft. Toward the stern of the vessel. The lifeboats are located abaft the bridge. Abaft the beam. Abaft the beam. Behind the ship's beam. A vessel was sighted abaft the beam on the starboard side. Abandon ship. Abandon ship. Emergency order to leave the vessel. The captain gave the order to abandon ship after the fire spread. A-beam. A-beam. At right angles to the ship's side. The lighthouse is now A-beam to port. Able-bodied seaman. Able-bodied seaman. Qualified and experienced deck rating. The able-bodied seaman is taking the helm during the watch. Aboard. Aboard. On or inside the vessel. The pilot is coming aboard now. Abreast. Abreast. Side by side. The two vessels were moored abreast of each other. Access holes. Access holes. Openings for entry into tanks or compartments. Ensure the access holes are clear before starting the inspection. Accommodation ladder. Accommodation ladder. Ladder used for boarding the ship. Lower the accommodation ladder for the shore officials. Accommodation. Accommodation. Living quarters on board. All crew members must keep the accommodation clean and tidy. Accomplish. Accomplish. To complete a task. We must accomplish the bunkering operation before departure.